Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Aramex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Aramex account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Aramex application. The home page of Aramex application will appear on the screen. Click on My Account option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Logout option. From the pop-up, confirm logging out of your Aramex account by tapping on Logout once again. This is how you can log out of your Aramex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.